World Hepatitis Day is commemorated each year on 20th July to create awareness among people. Worldwide, 290 million people are living with viral hepatitis unaware. On World Hepatitis Day, we, the Department of Biotechnology, the Oxford College of Science, has organized a hepatitis awareness campaign to reveal the statistical data worldwide and in Indian scenario.
Hello everyone, I am Renushri, final year PG student studying biotechnology at the Oxford College of Science. Every year, 28th of July is observed as World Hepatitis Day. On this occasion, I will be presenting the worldwide data by WHO on different types of hepatitis infection. Thank you.
Hepatitis is an inflammation of liver that can cause a range of health problems and can be fatal. There are 5 main strains of hepatitis virus, which are types A, B, C, D, and E. They all cause liver disease but differ in the modes of transmission, severity of illness, and geographical distribution. An estimated 325 million people worldwide live with hepatitis B and or C infection, and treatment remains beyond reach. July 28th every year is observed as World Hepatitis Day. Following is the data on different type of hepatitis infection worldwide by WHO. Hepatitis A causes mild to severe illness. WHO estimates hepatitis A virus caused approximately 7,134 deaths in 2016, accounting 0.5% of mortality due to viral hepatitis. And hepatitis A infection is most common in children in low and middle income countries with poor sanitary conditions and hygiene. Hepatitis B virus can cause both acute and chronic diseases. In the year 2015, there were 257 million people living with the chronic hepatitis B infection, which resulted in about 887,000 deaths from liver cirrhosis and liver cancer. And in 2016, 4.5 million people diagnosed with infection were on treatment. Hepatitis B is prevalent in Western Pacific and African regions where 6.2% and 6.1% of adult population is infected respectively. About 2% of Southeast Asian general population is infected. Hepatitis C strain causes both acute and chronic hepatitis. It's the major cause of liver cancer. Globally, an estimated 71 million people have chronic HCV infection. WHO estimated that in 2016, approximately 399,000 people died from hepatitis C. Hepatitis C is found worldwide, but the most affected regions are Eastern Mediterranean and European regions with estimated prevalence in 2015 of 2.3% and 1.5% respectively. Hepatitis D virus is a virus that requires hepatitis B virus for its replication. Therefore, hepatitis D virus infection occurs only simultaneously or as superinfection with HBV. It affects globally nearly 5% of people who have a chronic infection with HB virus. Mongolia, the Republic of Moldova, and countries in Western and Middle Africa are hotspots of hepatitis D infection. Hepatitis E causes liver disease that can range from mild to severe illness. Every year, there are an estimated 20 million hepatitis E virus infection worldwide. WHO estimates hepatitis E caused approximately 44,000 deaths in the year 2015. Hepatitis E is found worldwide, but disease is most common in East and South Asian regions. Facts about immunization coverage by hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B vaccine for infants had been introduced nationwide in 189 member states by the end of 2019. Global coverage with 3 doses of hepatitis vaccine is estimated at 85%. In addition, 109 WHO member states introduced 1 dose of hepatitis B vaccine to newborns within the first 24 hours of life. Global coverage is 43% and is as high as 84% in WHO Western Pacific region, while it is only estimated to be at 6% in the WHO African region.
Hello everyone, I am Anusha Hegde, studying in MSc Biotechnology, second year, Oxford College of Science. On the occasion of World Hepatitis Day, I have given statistical data on how hepatitis is spread across all over the world and also how WHO plans in eliminating hepatitis by 2030. Thank you.
World Hepatitis Day. According to WHO, 400 million people are estimated to be infected with hepatitis B or C. 6 to 10 million people are newly infected annually. These viruses kill 1.5 million people a year. 1 in 3 people have been exposed to either or both of these viruses, and most of the infected people do not even know about it due to the dormant symptoms. World Health Organization has produced a strategy to eliminate the hepatitis by 2030. The major hurdle to achieve the hepatitis elimination is lack of financial resources. If the targets in the global health sector strategy are achieved, then millions of lives will be saved from liver-related premature deaths. Many countries around the world are acting towards the elimination of hepatitis. This is achieved by testing and treatment. They aim to diagnose 20% of the population who are infected with hepatitis B by 2020 and 90% of the population by 2030. Similarly, they want to diagnose 30% of the population who are infected with hepatitis C and achieve a 90% population for hepatitis C by 2030. WHO aims to treat nearly 80% of the population who are diagnosed with hepatitis B or C infection by 2030. Hepatitis elimination needs strong financial and political commitment from the civil societies and support from pharma, medical companies around the world.
My name is Sonia Sanjay Kamble and I am studying in Oxford College of Science for MSc Biotechnology last year. And in this presentation, I have given information about statistical data of hepatitis B. First picture represents the statistical data of the world, and the second picture represents the statistical data about India. Hepatitis B is an infectious disease caused by the hepatitis B virus which affect the liver. It can cause both, that is, acute and chronic infections. About a third of the world population has been infected at one point in their lives, including 240 million to 350 million who have chronic infections. Chronic infections can last longer, such as for 6 months. It is estimated that over 750,000 people die of hepatitis B each year. It was originally known as serum hepatitis. Worldwide, it is estimated that about 500 million people are found to be infected with hepatitis B, and these viruses kill about 1.5 million people a year. So in this image, it is shown that global distribution of chronic hepatitis B infection and viral genotypes. So in this image, regions with different population prevalence of chronic hepatitis B infection shown, and it is categorized as high, low and moderate level. So the area which is showed by the blue color, it shows high infection, which is more than or equals to 8%, and then area which shows the pale blue color, it indicates infection percent of 2 to 8%, and then area which is showed by the yellow color, it shows the less infection, that is less than 2%. So here in this case, here in this image, part A shows the high prevalence of chronic hepatitis B infection is found in the Western Pacific Africa around worldwide. So prevailing genotypes in different countries are also depicted in part A. So here viral genotypes are nothing but genotype is the way to put the hepatitis virus into categories based on similar genes. So one person can get affected by single genotype also, and it can get affected by multiple genotypes also. We can call it as a mixed infection. Then in this case, part B illustrates the global prevalence of chronic hepatitis B infection in children that is less than 5 years old. There has been substantial reduction of prevalence of chronic hepatitis B infection in children. It is shown because of successful vaccination program. For example, in Asian countries. So here we can see the yellow part in case of B is more, because they have promoted vaccination in case of children just to reduce the infection of hepatitis B. And at last, part C shows the exact population size of chronic hepatitis B carries in different WHO regions, that is World Health Organized regions, that is Western Pacific region, then African region, Southeast Asian region, Eastern Mediterranean region, European region, and North and South American regions. This second image depicts the hepatitis B statistical data of India. India has over 40 million hepatitis B patients, and it constitutes about 15% of entire pool of hepatitis B in the world. It was found that tribal areas in India have high prevalence of hepatitis B cases because of lack of sanitation. And then it was also found that every year around 6 lakh people die because of hepatitis B virus in India. So this report was submitted by National Viral Hepatitis Surveillance, and it is reported from the year 2011 to 2013, that is 3 years. So from this report they have founded that they reported most of the patients who were infected with hepatitis was caused by hepatitis A and E. And then it was also found that this infection was caused due to unsafe drinking water. It was the most commonly reported cause of hepatitis A and E outbreaks. So from this data, this Indian map is formed, which in this various colors are shown, out of which blue color shows the positive cases for hepatitis A, and then white color shows no infection. Means there is no outbreak in case of that particular region, and then black color shows the positive cases for hepatitis A. So in this map of India there are states shown. So in this there are number of outbreaks specifically reported in this case. So here in this graph we can see the states like Punjab, Uttarakhand, Gujarat and Maharashtra, and some parts of Kerala has the most outbreaks during 2011 and 2013, which shows black color, which means most of the cases reported were the positive for hepatitis E, and then the blue color shows the infection for hepatitis A. So various regions like West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, and then Karnataka shows most cases positive for the hepatitis A. And the white regions we can see, that is Arunachal Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, shows no outbreak in case of hepatitis.
Hello everyone, I am Payal Sahu, MSc final year student of Biotechnology from the Oxford College of Science, presenting the Indian scenario of the viral hepatitis virus on the occasion of World Hepatitis Day. Thank you.
Here is the current Indian scenario of viral hepatitis virus. Hepatitis B and C are the most common type of hepatitis infection found in India. For hepatitis A, virus is more common in the adult as compared to children. Among 267 adults, 26.9% patients are tested positive for HAV. Coming to HVC, that is hepatitis C virus, the estimated prevalence of HCV infection in India is about 1 to 1.9%. The prevalence of HCV infection in high risk group of patients like those receiving blood transfusion. In the male, the age group of 30 to 50 is on high risk as compared to female. It is 40 to 50 years. According to the survey of HEV, that is hepatitis E virus, found more in pregnant women as compared to non-pregnant women. Till now, the most cases found in Kanpur in the year 1990, and the last survey was done in Rajasthan in 2008, where 23,915 patients were found. The most common type is B and C. So here there is a serious dearth of data regarding the true prevalence of hepatitis B virus in India. Hepatitis B antigen positivity has been reported to range between 2 to 8%. In India, around 4.7% is infected with HBV of 56.5 million population.
The 2020 theme, Hepatitis-Free Future, is achievable with a united effort. On this World Hepatitis Day, let us learn to protect ourselves from falling prey to any of the hepatitis diseases by following the preventive measures. Happy World Hepatitis Day to each and everyone.